Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can save a Canva design to a Word document. Now here is a template that I found in Canva and it's really perfect for my kids to use and practice, and I want to save it as a Word document. When I click the share button and click on more, and I type in Word, it doesn't really give me an option to export it as a Word document. That's because Canva doesn't have a direct way to do that, but I can show you two workarounds that we can do. So first and foremost, again, click on Share, click on Download, and download it as a PDF standard. Now once that's done, open a browser and type in I love PDF. I love PDF gives you a lot of options on how you can deal with your PDF file, either to change it into a Word document or vice versa. So let's go ahead and click PDF to Word. Now let's just find the document that we downloaded from Canva. Click Open. From here, go ahead and click Convert to Word. And then let's download the file. So here is a Word document. Let's go ahead and open it. So here you go. Now your PDF has been turned into a Word document, and you can go ahead and edit what you need to change. But bear in mind that not all of the fonts that you have in Canva can be read through Microsoft Word. So you can just go ahead and change the font, whichever suits you. All right, and then all you have to do is File and Save as Word document. Now another way would be, and not everyone knows about this, so you can actually open a PDF file in a Word document and Word automatically converts it into a Word document. So let's try. So open the PDF file. It would prompt you this and just click OK and just enable editing, and there you go. Now you're able to change what's inside this document and save it as a Word file. And that's it. That's how you save a Canva design into a Word document. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.